AI is revolutionizing industries at an unprecedented pace, bringing about changes that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. Today, I'm diving into how AI is transforming key sectors, from healthcare to finance, retail to manufacturing and even education, one step at a time. Each sector is experiencing a unique transformation, driven by the power of AI. Starting with healthcare. AI-driven diagnostics are a game-changer, revolutionizing the way we approach medical care. Imagine AI analyzing X-rays or MRI scans in real time, providing instant feedback to doctors, detecting diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. Robotic surgeries? They're not just a concept anymore. Yep, they're here, making intricate procedures smoother and safer, reducing the margin for human error. And personalized treatment plans tailored just for you? AI's algorithms analyze your medical history and current health data to create the most effective treatment plans. AI's got that covered too. AI is saving lives and advancing healthcare, making it more efficient and accessible. Next up, finance. Picture a bustling financial district where every transaction is monitored by AI. AI is enhancing security with advanced fraud detection using complex algorithms to flag unusual transactions instantly, Algorithmic trading uses AI to predict market trends, making smarter investment decisions, and maximizing returns. And let's not forget digital assistants, which are becoming increasingly sophisticated, helping you manage your finances effortlessly, providing insights and recommendations based on your spending habits. AI is enhancing security and driving smart investments, making the financial world more secure and efficient. Retail is undergoing a transformation too. Personalized recommendations, that's all AI, analyzing your browsing habits to suggest the perfect products, creating a more personalized shopping experience, that's all AI, analyzing your browsing habits to suggest the perfect products. In warehouses, AI-driven inventory management ensures efficiency with robotic systems, reducing errors and speeding up processes. And chatbots? They're providing instant customer service around the clock, answering queries and resolving issues in real time. AI is reshaping the shopping experience and boosting efficiency, making it more convenient for both retailers and customers. Manufacturing is no different. Automated robotic arms are streamlining assembly lines, working tirelessly to ensure precision and speed, making production faster and more precise. Predictive maintenance means fewer breakdowns, as AI systems monitor equipment and alert you before issues arise, preventing costly downtime. This proactive approach keeps production lines running smoothly, and in quality control, AI detects defects in real time, ensuring that only the best products make it to the market, maintaining high standards. AI is improving productivity and quality in manufacturing, making it more reliable and efficient. Let's move to education. AI is personalizing learning plans for students, tailoring materials to individual needs, making education more accessible and effective. Tailoring materials to individual needs. Virtual tutors are now assisting students in real time, providing instant feedback and support, helping them understand complex concepts better, answering questions and providing feedback instantly. AI is personalizing education and making learning accessible, breaking down barriers to education. And what about the future? AI's potential is limitless, with new applications emerging every day, spanning agriculture, logistics, and beyond. From optimizing crop yields to streamlining supply chains, AI is pushing boundaries and opening new possibilities. New applications emerge every day, transforming industries and creating new opportunities, pushing boundaries and opening new possibilities. AI is shaping the future, one industry at a time, revolutionizing the way we live and work. So, how will AI shape your industry? Subscribe for more insights and stay ahead of the curve. Stay informed, stay ahead.